What is going on, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Evans, aka Zach or Zachsy FX, and I'm back on your screens with another video. So today is the beginning of week 4 of my Project Discipline Trader series. Last week I couldn't post because I went to work and stuff like that. A lot of things that has been happening over the past weekend. I couldn't film, or I actually took some trades, but I couldn't film it. So I'm officially starting week 4 of my Project Discipline Trader series today. And as you already know, I'm already looking at the charts and I've spotted some buy setup on gold this morning. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be taking you guys straight into my chart so I can show you my analysis and what I'm looking at and what I'm looking out for on my gold chart. So with that being said, let me take you guys straight into my chart. But before that, do well to hit the like button for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you are looking forward to more of this kind of content. And most importantly, turn on post notifications so that every time I drop a new video, you'll get notified. So let's get straight into the chart so I can show you my analysis and what I'm looking at. So guys, this is on my 1H time frame of XAUSD. You all can see that the trend is bullish. So price has been trending to the upside for a while now, and I intend to go along with the trend. So this morning or yesterday, when I got back from work, I didn't want to rush into the market. I just came to analyze the chart and then mark out zones I was expecting price to react to. So while doing that, I saw that price was in a consolidation. Price had been in a consolidation, let's say most of yesterday, almost throughout yesterday. So I mark out the consolidation zone and then I was just waiting for price to break out of the zone. So this morning I woke up and then I saw that price has already broken above the zone. It has already broken out of the zone to the upside. And whenever there is a breakout of a consolidation, we wait for price to come back for a retest. So price did come back for a retest, and I marked out my supply zone on the hourly time frame over here. Price came back, tapped into the zone, and then now it's rejecting. But then this is a perfect confirmation for me to enter this trade. But my stop loss zone is very tight. I only risk 50 pips. I don't intend to risk more than that. So I would have to wait for price to give me a proper confirmation, like a major turning point for me to be able to enter this trade. If not, I can enter here and then set my stop loss below, but that would be too much for me. That would be like 100 pips, 100 plus pips, and I don't intend to risk that on this setup. So I'll just wait for price to give me a proper confirmation, like a reversal pattern, like a pin bar or a double bottom or head and shoulder patterns, before I'll be able to enter this trade. But it is what it is. Whatever happens on the chart, we take it like that, and I'll keep you guys updated when I'm able to enter the trade, and if the trade is going to hit my SL or it will be a win for the day. So guys, that will be all for now. Stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. So let's get on with the video, guys. So guys, check out what's happening on the chart. On So guys, check out how the trade I took today went. But something funny actually happened. You know, when I entered my first setup, I used 0.10 lot, and that will be 50 pips, and I was supposed to risk $100. So I splitted the the positions. I split the positions into two. So when I entered the first, I waited for price to calm down a bit for me to enter the second position. So you could see that the first position actually got hit, went to hit my SL, and then the second one, price came all the way down, and it went almost about less than a pip. Sorry, it went almost about less than a pip to take me out. Then it reversed on the stop loss zone, but it couldn't hit it. So I'm still in this trade, and the trade is still just moving sideways. I don't want to close it just now. I want to wait to see what this trade is actually going to do. And I'm supposed to risk $100, so I just lost $50, and it's left with $50 for the day. So I'm waiting to see how this trade goes. But then the trade, if I had used my 0.20 lot size, like I would have been out of this trade because my stop loss would have been hit following this first move. And I don't even know. Sometimes when I see these kind of things, I feel like maybe the price, maybe market just wants to come and take me out and then start moving. Because take a look at this. When price came to take me out with this week, when price came to weak me out, it started pushing all the way up. But then it feel like that's my understanding, or that's my explanation for what's happening. Price felt like no, it's left with one position to take me out, so it has to come back. It has to come back to take me out before going in my direction. So you could clearly see that price came all the way back to where my previous stop loss zone was, and then it reversed from that zone again. You see, so I'm just waiting to see what is happening. I know all this is just like some mind games market is trying to play with me, but I have my risk managed, and I'm just trying to follow my rule. Price will either take me out my stop loss, or price will either have to hit my stop loss or go to my take profit. So that's just all on this one. I might be ending this video here, and then we continue tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be updating you guys on how this trade, or this remaining, or the running position. I'll be updating you guys on how the running position will go, whether it went to take me out or it went to my take profit level. So that will just be all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Fella, you dey go this year, babies, yeah, plenty balling. Fella, you dey go. Everything I be wanting, manifesting. Yes, so guys, today is today is Wednesday, and this was the result for the trade I took this morning. Yeah, the trade went straight to my SL immediately I entered, and after taking me out, it started shooting for my TP, and it literally went to hit my TP after it has taken me out. So this was just the outcome for the trade. So right now, I just don't know what to see again. Yeah, I just don't know what to say again because this is beginning to get out of hand. So this was the trade. You know, this like one of my one of my A setups. So I went all in on this trade, hoping to make something huge, but then it turns out that market had to do its own thing. It is what it is. So that's it. That's just all. So that's just all on this one. Let me show you my analysis and why I took this buy. So on the 4H, you know, after the trade I took yesterday literally went to hit my SL here. So price sold yesterday later in the day. Gold sold, and then it went to take me out. So I reanalyzed the chart. and then you could all see that price is bullish from the 4-inch time frame. I moved to my hourly time frame, and then I marked out some zones. This zone over here, is a key zone on the 4-inch time frame. Price price has been failing to break below this zone. So when I saw this, I just marked it out, and then I was waiting for price to come back. Price reacted after yesterday's sale. Price reacted around this level, and then it started buying throughout the night. I couldn't take that because it has already moved before I came to see it has already moved before I came to the chart. So I just left it to play out. But then I was waiting for price to come back and then react to this high it has broken, because even if I use this hourly trend, you'll see that price has broken above the trend, and we will have to wait for price to come back and give us a retest on the trend. But then I didn't use that one. I used this intraday trend over here. Price gave us a first tap over here, a second, and this was supposed to be my third tap. And on the 15 minutes, I have my supply zone. Around here, and I was just waiting for price to come back and then react, give me a good reaction inside of this zone. So I waited for price to come back. Price actually broke above this high. And then it created a 15-minute supply zone around this zone. So I was just waiting for price to come back for a retest on this high, tap into the supply zone, and at that same point give me a third tap on this intraday trend, which happened. Price gave me everything perfectly, but then you see, after this move, after this bearish candle attempted to break below it, I saw price pushing up. Let me move to my 5 minutes. I saw price pushing up on the 5 minutes, and then I entered hoping that price will continue moving. But then it reversed all the way back to stop me out, and then it closed bullish. This candle started moving bullish. That was when I entered the trade, but then it reversed all the way down, came to take me out before it pushed and closed bullish. So that was just what happened on the chart today. Price literally did its own thing, but this is really getting out of hand, and it takes a lot to still keep going despite all of this. I know that everything I'm doing is right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong that is keeping me, or that is making me to keep losing trade after trade. But then I'm sure I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'm sure I'll figure it out in the shortest possible time. So guys, that's just all on this one. I think I'll be ending the video here, because the money I was supposed to risk tomorrow, I risked it all on this trade, and then it went to take me out. So I don't have to trade tomorrow. I'll just wait for next week to come, then I will try again. So that's just all on this one. So guys, if you find this video interesting, kindly hit the like button for your boy, and if you are looking forward for more of this kind of content, do what to smash the like button, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so that every time I drop valuable content just like this one, you get notified. So see you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.